Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're looking at what we consider to be the best pressure washer foam cannon attachment on the market. The Amazon Basics foam cannon with 1/4 inch quick connector. Let's dive into how this budget-friendly foam cannon performs like a pro-level tool and why it's getting so much attention from car cleaning enthusiasts. First off, it's built with a solid brass main body, paired with durable ABS and aluminum components. That might not sound flashy, but it translates to a heavy-duty, long-lasting feel right out of the box. No cheap plastic threads or flimsy fittings here. It includes a 1/4 inch quick connector, making it compatible with most pressure washers right away. The build quality is something you'd expect from higher-end products, but here, you're paying a fraction of the price. Now let's talk specs. The foam cannon holds up to 33 ounces. That's about 1 liter, of your favorite car shampoo or cleaning solution. It's designed for pressure washers that push out at least 2.0 gallons per minute with a minimum pressure of 1000 psi. That's pretty standard for most home-use electric or gas pressure washers, so compatibility won't be a problem for most users. Performance-wise, this thing does exactly what you want it to do. It produces a thick, clingy snow foam that coats your vehicle and lifts dirt without damaging the paint. One smart tip from the product page, and it's worth repeating, is to flush the foam cannon with plain water for about 30 seconds after every use. This helps prevent any soap buildup or clogs in the nozzle. If you've ever used a foam cannon that suddenly stops producing foam, you know how annoying that can be. A quick rinse keeps it in top shape. Another practical note is that the cannon is equipped with a barb-type connection for both the inlet and outlet. This ensures a tight fit and solid flow, which really matters when you're relying on consistent pressure to get that perfect snow foam. If you're someone who enjoys detailing your vehicle at home or you're simply looking for a more efficient way to get that deep clean shine, this foam cannon is a fantastic addition to your arsenal. Whether you're cleaning a car, truck, motorcycle, or even your patio furniture, it makes the job quicker and more satisfying. The foam not only looks cool, and let's be honest, it does, but it actually reduces the chance of scratching your paint. Since the grime is encapsulated and lifted before you touch the surface with a mitt or sponge. For around $17 plus shipping, you get a durable, adjustable, and reliable foam cannon that delivers premium-level performance. It's simple, it's efficient, and it works. No unnecessary gimmicks, just a solid tool that does what it promises. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a detailing addict, the Amazon Basics foam cannon checks all the boxes. That's it for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a deep dive into the gear that makes your life easier. Catch you next time.